Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute, okay, since I've seen the last video y'all seen of me was that cooking video, and that was even filmed a while ago. So I'm super duper excited to be back, y'all. I'm trying to film these bangers out for y'all. I truly did miss you guys. I love interacting with you guys, talking to you in the comments, talking to you outside the comments, whatever the case may be. I love it, y'all, and I miss y'all so much. Hopefully you guys missed my videos too as much as I did making them for you guys. We have reached 280 subscribers. Woo! We're on the road to 300, and this wouldn't have been done without you guys. So I'm super happy and grateful. Thank you so much for supporting me, liking my content, liking my videos, just making me feel really good about this YouTube thing. And I'm super excited to give y'all these bangers of different wigs and stuff. Like, it's time to get back and rolling, okay? And I'm super duper excited. But if you're not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for more videos with me. This channel is free for y'all to join the family, sit down, relax, get your popcorn, whatever you need to do, okay? And just sit back and relax, because today's video will be a banger like the rest of them. Okay, all right, y'all, so it is another synthetic hair review, and this is an oldie but goodie. You guys have probably seen this so many times, but pa-dow. Okay, we are doing Perfect Hairline. It is Linette color DR Almond Spice, and it has a full hand tie 4D lace parting, ear to ear, soft HD transparent lace, and the back has adjustable straps. It has a secure fit for you guys in the back. The hairline is supposed to be pre-plucked, so we'll see how pre-plucked this wig is. Baby hairs are included, and they do give you a natural contour for a realistic hairline. And 13x4 is like the lace that's like right here, where you can part it in different ways. You can do a left part, a center part, and a up and a half up ponytail. So obviously you guys know I love this wig because it's very versatile and I love it. And these are the specialty colors, and I got the Almond Spice that's in the back as well too. So enough chatting, and let's get right into it. I already kind of like tinted the lace, so the lace is already tinted. It has the two combs in the front, and it has the combs in the back. Oh, see, this is pretty. This is a pretty wig, y'all. Like, oh yeah, it's gorgeous. Let's talk about it. Okay, all right, that's pretty. Yeah, I'm enjoying this when I put it on for work. Oh yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is probably customize it off camera, but I just wanted to show y'all what it's giving. That's the ear tabs right here, which I'm gonna try to cut, but I want to keep the sideburns a little bit, but I will be. It looks like it's blending really well though. Okay, I like this. Yeah, let me do my magic, y'all. And we're gonna get into it, okay? Because this hair is very pretty. All right, enough talking. Let's get right into it.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got this, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too foreign hoes, they DM me. Draw the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek.
Percocet pill on me, ice on my neck, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that fucked in the back don't say nothing, them niggas a kill for me. Back as I count on my sleep, on fleek. My neck spit on that patty for leave. Throw my dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leap. I put them bricks in the family. My walk around like she Chris Jenner. I used to break in the inner, then take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mental. Mama say she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled. On that bit, then I tip. A nickel for me to take pictures. Not from LA, but I clip 'em. Double my cup or a triple. Boss on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average or typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that bag on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Bag of them cookies, it's medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean is federal. I take off landing on Nebula. As the next one that ends on my schedule.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dump in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they deal me. Draw the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek. I know these niggas get sick of me, they chasing my neck cause I'm meal a piece. I don't even like to freestyle for free, I put in the key and I ride the beat. I don't even come out the house for free, I pay a nigga to drive for me. Jay-Z couldn't even co-sign for me, I do what I want cause I'm signed to me. I get the bag, they get the bag, have to cut it in half. Stop the comparing, y'all making me laugh. Need to rehab, I'm addicted to cash. Convertible walk, convertible talk, my dope got a vertical, look at that hop. And then jump out the pot, came out the jet and went straight to the top. Take it easy, baby, middle of summer, I'm freezing, baby. Don't leave me, baby, just drop to your knees and please me, baby. I'm fascinated, too fine that I... Congratulations, she brought me so good that I graduated. They had to hate it, I'm with them niggas, they plastic, baby. A trapper, baby, I rap but I own all my masters, baby. It's tragic, baby, I pull up and fuck up the traffic, baby. A savage, baby, I'm killing these niggas, close casket, baby. You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dump in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they deal me. Draw the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek.
This is the finished look of this hair. I think it's super pretty. I was not intending to glue this wig down, y'all, but I gave in and I started gluing it down. Y'all know I love simple wigs. That is a really, honestly, I like more of plop and goes versus me having to glue this hair down to my scalp. But as far as that goes, I kind of like the color. I am not really complaining. I like the color. I like the style. It's not too long. It's not too short. It's just perfect for me. So I don't got no problems with that. Now, as far as the plucking, you could pluck this wig some more if you really wanted to, but like me, I don't really know how to pluck like that or at all, honestly. So it's like, for me, it's better to let them do that in this wig than for me to do it myself. So yeah, that's that. Like I said, I have the color DR Almond Spice, and they do have the creamy toffee in here too as well, which I thought it was really cute. I love the 13x4 frontal. You can just put it in the center part, you can put it in the middle part, and then you can actually kind of do like a top knot situation to it as well. A half up ponytail is what they call it. You can do a half up ponytail with it, or you can do a bun. Honestly, if you just know how to finesse, you can do a bun. But yeah, that's that. Linette, pretty wig. Like I said, fully hand tied, 13x4, ear to ear, HD lace. I did have to cut the lace. I cut it as best as I could. I do need to cut it some more on this side, and I do need to glue it down tomorrow as well when I go to work. Glue it down maybe 4 or 5 layers, because this, I only did like 2 or 3, I think. And it was not enough to keep it, obviously, to hold it. But if you want to glue it down, you can. If you want to keep this the way it is, you also can. I did use my Fenty Beauty foundation. All of that, I've kind of discussed all of that in other videos. So like I said in the beginning, I will include those with it. The pros of this hair is the color, is the style. Very like natural looking. The cons will be the shedding. I was expecting it to shed when I cut the ear tabs off, which I did, but after a while it kind of started shedding on its own again. It's not doing that now. It does have a little bit of a, see, look, it does have kind of like a tangle going on here, but now it's not that much shedding, but I'm pretty sure, see, I got some strand right there by just doing that. So I'm pretty sure some more will come out, but it is what it is. When you get a synthetic wig, it is by far going to happen to you if you get a synthetic wig versus you getting a human hair wig, which I'm not gonna get a human hair wig anytime soon, just saying. But it's still cute. I put it to the side. This the side, the back is cute, the other side, I just love it like this, honestly. But I do want to try the half up ponytail. So I might, you know, finesse this wig just a little bit and try to do something off camera and see if I can really get into it. But this is the end of this video, y'all. That's all I got. I would give this wig 8 out of 10. It's not too like, oh my god, but it's not like, it's not bad either. So yeah, that's that, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I promise you that I'll be doing more videos for y'all. I am not gonna be missing. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.